It gives you the countdown. There you go. So now it's recording. So you can talk and you'll see, if you see on the screen, you see the timer moving. That's how you know it's recording. The pause, so as you're recording, um, you can do different things through Zoom. So at the top, if you look up at the top of Zoom, there should be a annotate button on your screen because you have the same capabilities as I have. So where it says stop share up here, you should see that button that says annotate. So looking at my screen, you see how I'm moving the mouse up and it says stop share? And then this toolbar comes up. There's a button that says annotate. If you click on the annotate button, it'll allow you to draw on the screen. So you can draw right on top of your document. Yes. Yep. So if it's like a math worksheet and you're doing problems, you can draw. I have a bamboo board that I use to draw on it. Um, you can also you could do this through your iPhone, like if or an iPad if you have one, or you can use your mouse. Like I prefer, even though I have the bamboo board where I can draw, I prefer using my mouse to draw on the the board. I can control it better with the mouse. Um, so that's how you start a cast. Like it's recording right now what we're doing. If and I'm gonna, use an example. Hey May May, I need you to put the pacifier in the baby's mouth. So if you have one of these moments like that, right, where something goes on in the background or you hear something and you don't want to delete what you did so far, but you gotta stop the video. Or sometimes there's like I'll be working and I told them, hey, pull up your calculator. And so I don't want to have that lag time where I'm opening up the calculator app. So you can hit the pause button